to Finance and MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Power Grid. So let's start the video. Friends, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, that is PGCIL, has released the recruitment notification for CA and CMAs as Officer Trainee Finance. Friends, Power Grid is a Maharatna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Power, Government of India. So they have released vacancy for Officer Trainee Finance. There are total 20 vacancies, out of which 8 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Now let's talk about the job description. So friends, name of post is Officer Trainee Finance. Here you will be Officer Trainee Finance for initial 1 year training, and after that you will be absorbed under E2 grade post your completion. Here the essential qualification asked is either a CA or CMA pass as on 13th November 2023. They have just asked CA or CMA pass. So even if you are not having membership number, then also you are eligible to apply. Your upper age limit is 28 years as on 30th November. That is, candidates should have been born on or after 13th November 1995. Now compensation package. Friends, during the training period you will be paid a basic pay of rupees 40,000 along with HRA and perks, that is 12% of the basic pay. And after your completion of training you will be absorbed under E2 grade. Here on completion your pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000, and apart from your basic pay you will be paid DA allowance and all perquisites as per the policy of the company. Now service bond, very important. Friends, you need to execute a service bond to serve the company for at least 3 years. An amount of bond is rupees 5 lakh for general OBC EWS category candidate and 2.5 lakh for SC ST PWBD category candidate. Application fee, friends, you need to make an application fee of rupees 500, and for SC ST PWBD ex-serviceman candidate application fee is exempt. Then there are certain age relaxation and other reservation for reserve category. You can check them in detail. Now selection process, very important. Friends, selection will comprise of your written test, that is computer based test, followed by group discussion, behavioral assessment and personal interview, who will qualify the test. Now they have given the exam pattern also. So friends, your computer based test will be of 2 hours with objective type questions having 4 options. It will consist of 2 sections. Part 1 will be of your professional knowledge, that is your technical syllabus. It will have 120 questions, and second one is executive aptitude test, that is your non-technical syllabus. It will be of 50 marks. So like this, total 170 questions will be asked, and they have mentioned that your professional knowledge test will be from specific discipline related questions, whereas your aptitude section will be from vocabulary, verbal comprehension, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, data sufficiency and interpretation, etc. So basically non-technical syllabus is covered here. Wrong answer will carry a negative marking of 1/4, and there is a minimum cutoff that one needs to achieve to qualify for the next round. For unreserved category, it is 40% of the marks you need to score in your technical syllabus and 30% marks in non-technical syllabus, whereas for OBC category, SC ST PWBD, minimum 30% marks is required to be scored in your technical syllabus and 25% marks in your non-technical syllabus. And based on your written test performance, you will be called for GDN interview round. And qualifying marks is also there for GDN interview. For unreserved category, 40% marks is required to be scored in interview, and for OBC SC ST category, 30% is required to be scored. The weightage is mentioned that your written test will consist of 85% weightage, group discussion will have 3% weightage, and personal interview will have 12% weightage, and based on this final merit list will be prepared, and the test centers are mentioned. So friends, your test will be in the 9 centers only, so do keep this in mind to fill the closest center to your location, and date of computer based test will be intimated to you at the later date, but the chances are the exam can be held either in the December and or January month. And how to apply and all those things are mentioned. You have to apply by visiting website of the company. Rest details are mentioned about registration process. And friends, if you have any query, you can write an email to them at the mentioned email address for resolving of your query. Now important dates. Online application will start from 24th October and last date of submission of online application is 13th November 2023, and cutoff date for eligibility criteria, that is age, education qualification, category status, etc., is as on 13th November 2020 only. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you should definitely give it a try because it's one of the Maharatna company and you will get a great exposure working in a reputed PSU company and it will give a boost to your career. So definitely give it a try and apply if you're meeting the eligibility criteria. And we at Finance MCQ will also help you to prepare for your examination for both technical as well as non-technical part. And we will bring up practice course for this examination. We will update you once the course is live. So do share the video with friends and family whom you think that this vacancy might be useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.